Hi, this is my video for Enhancement 8, and I'm already logged in, so I can just show you. This week I was working on including links for the navigation page. So when you click on Canon, you get the products that are listed with that. Same with explosives, miscellaneous, rocket, trap, and this is what it looks like on the mobile side of it. And just really quickly validating everything. No errors on HTML, no errors on the CSS. Sorry, sometimes I have to reload my CSS to get things to get readjusted. Okay, so now clicking on the product itself, it'll take you to its own page where you will get the name of it, price, description, size, stock, weight, location, vendor, style. And again, I can validate these pages as well. No errors. No errors. And I can show you this one in iPhone or mobile layout as well. This is what you would get. Okay, sorry. Yeah, just need to be reloaded. And I think that's everything we're supposed to include. Yeah, okay, so that's everything for this enhancement this week.